Hello, dear students. Welcome to the English class. Today's unit name is English for Communication and topic name is Prepositions and Professions. I am Dr. Manish Vyas, Head of the Department Humanities and Sciences, VPMP Polytechnic. The objectives of today's session is to acquaint students with communicative uses of certain words and phrases. At the same time, we will also be learning new vocabulary related to specific professions, correct use of prepositions, and as we started last lecture, we will also be concentrating on how we can use past tense in spoken English as well as in written English. This is exercise number 9. The title is Having a Bad Day. Read the instruction. Match the words and expressions on the left with the definitions on the right. Write the letters in the box below. So on the left hand side there are 10 words and on the right hand side there are phrases. What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words. The phrases are from A to J, so we have to match both the sides. Let us do the first one, run out of. The correct phrase is not have any of something left. Khatam thai jau. Oversleep. Very easy. The answer is C. Not get up early enough. Third, have an argument. The correct phrase is the last one. Talk angrily with someone. Fourth is very important. Important in the sense that it is very frequently used in spoken English. Breakdown. Breakdown means here stop working. F. कोई व्हीकल, कोई इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायंसिस જ્યારે કામ કરતું બંધ થઈ જાય, then we say it has broken down depending on the tense. Fifth is fall over. The correct phrase is A, fall to the ground. Sixth is miss. It is correct phrase is D, arrive too late to get on a vehicle. I missed a bus, I missed a train. Seventh is get lost. Get lost, it has two uses. First one is, when we don't want to talk to someone, we say get lost from here, get out from here. दूसरा यूज़ जो है वो यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. The correct answer is E, not be able to find your way. I got lost in the traffic. I was not able to find my way. 8 is be late. Be late. Arrive after the correct time. I is the correct answer. Be stuck in a traffic jam. The correct answer is B. Be in a line of cars that's not moving. And last is spill. S-P-I-L-L. Spill. जब कोई चीज़ गिर जाती है और जब वो गिर के स्प्रेड हो जाती है, पर्टिकुलरली लिक्विड चीज़, तो वहाँ पे स्पिल का यूज़ होता है. द करेक्ट फ्रेज इज G, make liquid pour somewhere by mistake. For example, you are working, you are reading something on a chair and table, and there is a cup of tea on your table, and accidentally the cup of tea falls down from the table. So there spill is used. The cup fell from the table, fell off from the table, and the tea was spilled. Let us go to the next exercise. Complete the paragraph with the expressions from A Remember to write the words in the past tense. Here we have to use the words which we have discussed above. Remember that we have to use past tense. I had a very bad day yesterday. I usually get up at 7 o'clock, but I overslept and didn't get up until 8. Then I missed the bus and had to wait 20 minutes for the next one to come. Of course, I was late for work and I could see my boss was not very pleased. The rest of the morning was okay, but as I was walking to the staff restaurant for lunch, I fell over and hurt my wrist. I was really happy when it was time to go home, but things didn't get any better. I'm afraid. There was a new driver on the bus. He went the wrong way and got lost. He turned into a very busy road and we were stuck in the traffic jam for about 20 minutes. Then the bus dash petrol. Which word will we use? Yes. Then the bus ran out of petrol and broke down. I had to get off and walk the rest of the way home. When I got home, I decided to relax with a nice cup of tea, but I spilled SPILLED it all over my new skirt. I phoned my boyfriend thinking he would make me feel better, but he said something unkind about one of my friends and which word will we use? We have an argument, but we have to use past tense. So past of have is had, HAD. We had an argument. I hope today is going to be better. Okay, so this way we can use these words in sentences. Remember, use of words in sentences is more important. How you use them in your day-to-day conversation, that is how you can improve your spoken English. Let us go to the next one. 21 exercise jobs. Look at the table and complete the answers with the words in the box. Janice, Eric, Lina, Tim and Michelle, they are all doing things, working somewhere. On the right hand side, hours needed. Now what we have to do is to choose the words from the box and write. First, what does Janice do? What is she doing? Dust, hoovers, irons, etc. So she is a cleaner. What does Eric do? He takes photographs. So he is a photographer. What does Lina do? Lina keeps records of money for a company. So she is an accountant. What does Tim do? He works for the government. So he is a civil servant. What does Michelle do? Writes instructions for computers. So she is a computer programmer. The last exercise is complete the advertisements with the words in the box. Wanted to write news stories for local newspaper. So who is required? Journalist. Second, wanted to work at the London fashion show, must be tall, thin and beautiful. Model. Wanted to look after two children aged 5 and 8, must speak good English. Au pair. The meaning of au pair is babysitter. Wanted to sell clothing in busy department store, must be smart and polite. So here the answer is shop assistant. Okay, so I hope you have understood how different words and professions are used and how we can use several words in past tense. Okay, thank you very much.